just a quick video on rough idle on a c200. It's the same c205, w205. It's the 1.5 petrol hybrid. It'll be similar for probably the normal c200. So taking this air box off, remove the filter just to check and see if there's any air leaks. But there isn't that I can see. Removed this one connector down there, and there was another connector up here. That went into the air intake pipe here. You'll see where it's actually the housing of the air box. You'll see where it comes in there, so you have to remove all of this whole air intakes pieces. Then I noticed that this first thing I noticed was that the throttle body doesn't quite line up with that tube there. And then I took out what looks like a mhev sensor. See if I can grab it down here somewhere. That came out the side of this pipe that goes to the throttle body. Excuse the lack of technical terms here. Then I noticed there was oil on that little air sensor. It must be like a mhev sensor or something like that. So that's not good. I'm gonna have to take this apart, strip this apart. There could be oil in and around the throttle body, which then goes into this inlet manifold down here and goes into your engine. So you don't want that. That's got to be taken apart and cleaned and find out who the culprit is there. But yeah, pretty complicated engine, I think. Well, for me anyway, seeing as the air actually kind of goes into this box through the filter, back out, down, and I think that's the turbo possibly there. Then it comes back in again through the throttle body and into the inlet manifold. For me that seems a bit unusual, but yeah, okay.